Ivy Petal back, and as you can tell by the way I'm holding the camera, it's not my normal setup. This video would have been a Q&A, but if you can hear, now they've gone silent. Basically what has happened is my neighbour is getting their roof down or something, and there's so many noises, like there's sawing, there's hammering, there's drilling, there's like everything possible, annoyingly possible, is happening. So, oh my god. So because there's loads of loud noises, I didn't want to like make a crappy video with loads of hammering and stuff in the background. So let's get a bit of lighting, there we go. But in this video, I'll be doing SpeedArt. It was an art trade with someone. Their Instagram name is Shiro Galaxy Arts. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, she's an autumn artist. She drew Ivy human form, and it was really epic. I still absolutely adore it. It's now my phone wallpaper. It's great. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the little SpeedArt. Sorry for not being able to do a Q&A video, but they're being loud. And yeah, enjoy the SpeedArt. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it, dislike if you didn't, and comment below whatever you want. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.